Welcome to my video. Today I will be showing a tutorial of how to change gradebook settings and create electronic gradebook categories and items in D2L BrightSpace. The first thing you will do is click the Grades tab. Then click New. Then click Item. Click the first option, Numeric. Give the grade item a name. In this example, I will be naming my grade item week number 2 Dropbox. Select the appropriate category it belongs to. In this case, I will select the category week 2 since my grade item is week 2 Dropbox. Put your pointer now, scroll down and click the Save and Close button. Your item was successfully saved. Repeat the same process to create more grade items. Click New, then Item, then click Numeric. Give the item a name. Select the appropriate category it belongs to. Put your point amount. Click Save and Close. Repeat the same process to create more grade items. Click New, then Item, then Numeric, then give your item a name, a point amount, and select the appropriate category it belongs to. You have now created gradebook items and categories successfully. This next part of the video will be changing gradebook settings. Click the Grades tab, then click the Settings wheel to the right. Here, you can change the electronic gradebook settings. Under Grades Details, make sure you have all of them selected. Under Repeat Final Grades, have both options selected. Make sure the Manage Grades is also selected. Scroll to the top and click the Calculation Options tab. Make sure Point is selected. Under Final Grade Release, select Calculated Final Grade. Under Grade Calculations, select Drop Ungraded Items. Under Auto Update, automatically keep final grades updated. Click Save. Then click Yes. You have now changed gradebook settings.